Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 search showing blank box. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand whatever I say. So yeah, let's start. Because I do not have this problem, I will show you a screenshot from Google with what I mean. So when you go to search, you may see a blank box or a black screen. And when you go to type something, you will see the black box again. So in this video, this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to fix this issue right here. So what you need to do, you need to open regedit and you need to head to this directory right here. I will show you how to go there. And to open regedit, right click to start and click run. And here type regedit and hit OK. So before I continue, make sure that you do not play around with the registry editor, because if you do, you may crash your computer and completely destroy Windows 10. And in order to fix that problem, you need to completely reinstall Windows 10. So do not play around with anything in here, only mess around with the setting that I'm going to show you in this video. So expand the folder HKey current user, make sure that you do not expand the local machine, you need to expand the current user. So expand that folder, go to the folder software, expand that, scroll down and find the folder Microsoft, expand that, and in the Microsoft folder, scroll down and find the Windows folder, expand that. Last but not least, expand the current version folder, and then scroll down to the end and find the search folder, which will be right here. You do not need to expand it anymore, you just have to click on top of the search folder. So what I have written here in the text document, you need to create a dword 32-bit value and rename it to Bing Search Enabled and set the value to 0. But before we do that, make sure that the dword file right here, Cortana consent, is to number 0. So if you double click on top of it, you will see the value data. If you see a different number, make sure to change it to 0 and hit OK. Right now you can create the dword 32-bit value and rename it to Bing Search Enabled. So what you need to do, click in the blank space, right click, click new, and then click dword 32-bit value. Right now rename it exactly as I have it in the text document or in the description. You need to have these three words glued together, you do not need any spaces between them, and hit enter to create that value. And as I said in the text document, you need to have the value to number 0. So of course by default, whenever you create a dword value, the value data by default will be a number 0. So there is no need to change the number to 0 again, because as I said, that's the default number for every dword value. And yeah, what you need to do right now, lastly, you need to restart your computer and hopefully your problem is fixed. If it's still not fixed, leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you as much as possible. And yeah, that's everything it. So that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.